Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Sienna headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. It is crucial to have the correct replacement headlight assembly for your specific Sienna model. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off before beginning any work. Safety and proper preparation are key to a successful replacement process. Next, you will need to access the headlight by carefully removing parts of the front bumper. Begin by removing approximately 10 plastic clips and 2 bolts that secure the top of the bumper cover. Gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender and grille, being mindful of its attachment points. Remember to disconnect any electrical harnesses for fog lights or turn signals before fully detaching the bumper. This step provides crucial access. With the bumper cover moved aside, you can now focus on the headlight assembly itself. Locate and remove the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the headlight unit to the vehicle's frame. Once these bolts are out, gently pull the old headlight assembly forward. Disconnect all electrical connectors from the back of the unit. Then, carefully position the new headlight assembly into place, ensuring all connections are firmly reattached. Finally, it is time to reassemble your vehicle. Carefully reattach the bumper cover, making sure all plastic clips and bolts are securely fastened. Reconnect any electrical harnesses for fog lights or turn signals that you previously detached. Once everything is back in place, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it functions correctly. Also, check its alignment to avoid blinding other drivers. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.